Welcome all, my dear friends. Let us continue our journey in the world of IPR by a series of question sets of the Patents Act 1970 and the Patents Rules 2003. Questions only can give us freedom from our mental cages. So, never stop questioning. Okay, so with this beautiful thought, let us continue our journey in the question series. Today we will discuss question set number 5. Another beautiful thought. What if questions make you think? That means if a question makes you compelled to think about the reasoning of it, then we must be sure that this question has some weight. Okay, so with this beautiful thought, let us proceed to our question set 5. Question number 1. Fees is the title for which section of the Patents Act 1970? The answer is section 142. So please refer section 142 of the Patents Act 1970, and also from my first lecture I have picked up this slide here to refresh your memory. Fine. So you can see here section 53 is term of patent, section 142 is fees, Form 4 is request for extension of time. Okay. Rule 13 is specifications. Rule 80 is renewal fees under section 53. And Rule 130 is application for review of decisions or setting aside of orders of the controller. And Rule 24B is examination of application. Okay, friends. So let us proceed. Question number 2. As per section 142 subsection 1, in relation to the grant of patents under the Patents Act 1970, fees may be paid. Who prescribes this? Okay, so the answer will be the central government, and for this please refer section 142 subsection 1 of the Patents Act 1970. Okay friends, let us proceed. Question number 3 is where a principal patent is granted later than 2 years from the date of the filing of the application, the fees will have become due. In the meantime, may be paid within a term of 3 months from the date of the recording of the patent in the register. Is it true? So, for this type of questions, friends, please try to read the whole statement and try to find out the point where it may be wrong. Okay, so let me read it again. Where a principal patent is granted later than 2 years, that means this may be a point. Okay, from the date of filing of the application, the fees which have become due in the meantime may be paid within a term of 3 months, already underlined. Okay, from the date of the recording of the patent in the register. Is it true? So here there are two places where there can be some wrong data can be put there to confuse you. Fine. So here we can see that both the data are correct, and for this reason the whole statement is correct. So we can answer yes, it is true. Okay, and for this please refer section 142 subsection 4 of the Patents Act 1970. Okay. Question number 4. What is the extension period for paying the due fees where a principal patent is granted later than 2 years from the date of the filing of the application? Okay, you can just recall the question number 3 that we have just discussed. This question is just an extension of that statement, and the answer here will be 9 months from the date of recording. That means the extension period will be 9 months from the date of recording. Okay, so please refer section 142 subsection 4 again of the Patents Act 1970. Question number 5. Where a fee is payable in respect of the doing of an act by the controller shall do that act until the fee has been paid. Is it true? So now here we will observe this. Where a fee is payable in respect of the doing of an act by the controller. That means a fee is to be paid. Okay, and the controller shall do that act until the fee has been paid. Is it true? That means a fee is to be paid and it has not been paid yet. So at that time, will the controller do that act? Friends, just remember, no fee, no action. Okay, that's why the actual answer will be shall not. Okay, and as here shall is given, that means the statement is wrong, and for that reason, for this reason, the statement is false. It is not true, it is false. Okay, to be more sure for your answer, please refer section 142 subsection 2 of the Patent Act 1970. Okay. Question number 6. Term of patent is the title for which section of the Patent Act 1970? The answer is section 53. As from this slide from our first lecture, we can see very well that section 53 is term of patent. Okay. And also you can refer section 53 of the Patent Act in the bare act, or else for more details please go to my video where I have very well explained about section 53. Fine. Question number 7. Which rule can be linked to section 53 of the Patent Act 1970? The answer is rule 80. And to be more sure, you can see in the slide itself what is rule 80. Rule 80 is renewal fees under section 53. Okay. Also, you can refer rule 80 of the Patents Rules 2003. Also, you can go to my lecture video as well for more details. Fine. Question number 8. Designated countries are those states in which a PCT application may subsequently enter national or regional phase. These countries can apply to both PCT applications and US applications. How far true is it? Please apply the same method. Please read the whole statement and find out where it can be wrong. Okay. So here the answer will be the question is how far true it is, right? The answer is false, because they can apply. That means these countries can apply to both PCT applications and US applications is given, but the truth is they can apply to just a minute friends, yeah, they can apply to PCT applications but not to US applications. Fine. So remember this, for this reason this statement is false. Fine. Question number 9. Notwithstanding anything contained in any other law for the time being in force on cessation of the patent right due to non-payment of renewal fee or on expiry of the term of patent, the subject matter covered by the said patent shall not be entitled to any protection. Is it true? Apply the same method. Please read it. Okay. And yes, actually the whole statement is correct. That's why it is true. Okay. And the keywords here are non-payment of renewal fee or an expiry of the term of the patent. Fine. So for this, please refer section 53, subsection 4 of the Patent Act 1970. Please go to the bare act, or else go to my video where I have explained section 53 individually in detail. Fine. Question number 10. The term of patent in case of international applications filed under the Patent Cooperation Treaty or PCT designating India shall be 20 years from the international filing date accorded under the Patent Cooperation Treaty or the PCT. Yes friends, the whole statement is correct and that's why it is true. Okay, and for this please refer section 53 subsection 1 of the Patent Act 1970 and be more sure for your answer. In this way all the 10 questions of today's question set is completed. Please go through them and try to learn more. Fine. The reference is the Patents Act 1970 as amended by Amendment Act 2005 and the Patents Rules 2003 as amended by Amendment Rules 2021. Okay friends, thank you so much for listening to me and thank you so much for watching my video. So please like, share and subscribe my channel Please put down your queries, your compliments and comments in my comment box. Thank you so much for watching this. Stay safe, stay blessed, stay healthy. God bless you. Jai Hind.